Guys, I want you to say hello to my very best friend in the whole wide world. So, guys, my cat. Oh, what? Oh, look at the baby. By the way, guys, he's on his last legs, literally, because he has a terrible one. We're gonna take him to the vet. I'm gonna tell you what it is. Hopefully. Oh, look at that. Oh, he's leaning in. Yeah. His name is Comet. He's 13 years old. He got a cute little face. Yeah, he's adorable. He's so cute. He's not aggressive. He's just really talkative. So, if you guys do want to see me post on Twitter or upload more videos with me and my cat, just let me know, alright? Yeah, but anyway, that's me and my cat. Whoa. See you guys next time. Say goodbye to the viewers, buddy. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, buddy. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Say goodbye, buddy. Say goodbye. Say goodbye to the viewers. Come on, buddy. Say goodbye to the viewers. Alright, that's his goodbye. See you guys.